Good morning, students. Now we shall continue with part 2 of photosynthesis. The structure of chloroplast. Membranes covered by double membrane envelope. These membranes are selectively or semi-permeable. We have studied this before in the previous video, so I'm just continuing. Stroma. It is the living matrix or ground substance of chloroplast. It contains ribosomes, circular naked DNA that is DNA without histone proteins. Thylakoids. What are thylakoids? These are flattened membrane bound sac-like structures pile up like stacks of coins. What is granum? Granum is a stack called granum. We will study this in detail further in this chapter. What are frets? Stroma lamellae or frets connecting bars are known as frets also. Light phase of photosynthesis we have studied and we are studying also. The chlorophyll pigment is contained in the walls of the thylakoids. These are the sites of light phase of photosynthesis. What are thylakoids? These are flattened membrane or bound sac-like structures, okay, pile up like stacks of coins, and those are having chlorophyll pigment in their walls. These are the sites for light phase of photosynthesis. Light phases which is having sunlight. Chlorophyll, it is a green pigment present in thylakoids of chloroplasts. Very sensitive to light, but too much light may destroy it. There are different types of chlorophyll molecules such as A, B, C, D, E and bacteriochlorophyll. Chlorophyll A and B are the most abundant in plant cells. When sunlight falls on chlorophyll molecule, it becomes energized. Okay? When sunlight falls on chlorophyll molecule, it becomes energized and releases this energy to make CO2 combine with H2O inside the chloroplast. The glucose thus formed contains energy that was found in sunlight. Raw materials needed for photosynthesis. Now pay attention. Carbon dioxide, water and sunlight are the main raw materials needed for photosynthesis. Source of carbon dioxide is atmosphere. It is having 0.03% carbon dioxide in atmosphere. For aquatic plants from water which has only 0.3% carbon dioxide is dissolved in it. For aquatic plants from water which has only 0.3% carbon dioxide dissolved in it. About 250 molecules of chlorophyll form the quantasome. Now this is a bit important. About 250 molecules of chlorophyll form one quantasome. This is the sunlight trapping smallest unit for photosynthesis. Now important is magnitude of photosynthesis. This process releases about 500 billion tons of oxygen to the atmosphere. The photosynthetic activity feeds billions of people and animals on our planet. Everybody knows about this. Over 170 billion tons of organic matter is produced by the photoautotrophs, that is plants. 10% organic matter produced by land plants, 90% is formed in the oceans. Okay. Leaf, a photosynthetic organ. Now you can see sunlight is falling on leaves of a plant. Sunlight absorbed by chlorophyll, carbon dioxide diffuses through stomata which are found on the surface of the leaves, water travels up the stem. This is the permeation of raw materials for photosynthesis into the leaf. Have a look at the diagram. Okay, so that's easy enough. Stomata, the site of exchange of gases. Regulation of stomatal opening and closing. Sugar concentration theory and potassium ion exchange. This we shall continue in our next video. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you children. Thank you so much.